Alarm goes off.
No, I'll just make noise.
Close the door, you can hear your parents. Okay, snore and I will laugh.
Mom!
Wait, are you recording?
I'm sleeping!
It looks so weird. You're recording already? Oh.
Yeah.
But I was talking.
We can edit this.
Oh, 6:33.
When the alarm sounds, we have to be quiet because we can't edit that. Okay, stop laughing.
I can't stop. But her eyes are open.
Whatever, use your imagination, people. We just and you tell us no.
That's funny.
Just turn her around then. Turn her around. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Okay.
I'm falling.
Turn your body around. Oh my god, I'm about to pee my pants. Okay.
Her body.
What time is it?
6:34.
I didn't sound. It didn't work. Just, I guess, make a. Oh my god! Okay, just make an alarm noisy.
Hold on, it's about to go off.